In today's video, I got something special for you. Because in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you tips and tricks as well as techniques that can help you to find the G-spot. So why finding the G-spot is so important? Finding the G-spot during having a sexual intimacy with their partner, it can help to enhance a sexual pleasure. So that is why I want you to watch this video up to the end. Because in some women, finding the G-spot is very stressful more than your expectation. And these tips and tricks that I'm going to share with you, they are proven and they can help you to identify the G-spot within a short period of time. So before we jump into the video, if it's the first time you are watching our video, please, I would like you to support us by subscribing to this YouTube channel and tap on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever we drop something new on this YouTube channel. Hello friends, welcome to International Medical TV. As I mentioned at the introduction of this video, I'll be sharing with you proven tips and tricks that can help you to find the G-spot. Tips number one is get in the mood. Before you start searching for a G-spot, so you need to create a relaxing and a comfortable environment and engage in foreplay. So when you engage in foreplay, you are become aroused. And why arousal is so important? When you are aroused, the G-spot will become erected and swell, making it easier to identify. So that is why getting in the mood, it is very essential if you want to find the G-spot. So now let's talk about the tips number two, which is location. So before you start searching for the G-spot, so you need to know the location of the G-spot. G-spot is located in the vagina about 1 to 2 inches at the front wall where the vaginal canal and the urethra meet. So to find out the G-spot, so kindly put your fingers or a sex toy in your vagina facing the front wall of your vagina. Because I told you that G-spot is located at the front wall of the vagina about 1 to 2 inches. So knowing the location of the G-spot is very essential if you want to find out the G-spot. Tips number 3 is experiment. The aim of identifying a G-spot is to enhance a sexual pleasure. Don't forget that there's a lot of women that are not getting a sexual pleasure from having a G-spot stimulation. That is why I want you to do an experiment to find out what is best for you and your partner. Don't forget that there's a lot of women that are not getting an orgasm until they have a clitoris stimulation. So to find out what is best for you and your partner, so you need to try something different in terms of sex position and to try some other form of sexual intercourse. Now let's talk about tips number 4, which is use of a sex toys. There's a lot of women that you can't find their G-spot until you use a sex toys. So if you want to find their G-spot, you need to get a sex toys. There is a lot of vibrators that are designed to find a G-spot. So there is a lot of sex toys that can make you easier to find out the G-spot. So that is why if you have found it very difficult to identify the G-spot, so I'm recommending you to one of their sex toys because they can help you to find out the G-spot within a short period of time. Let's talk about the tips number 5, which is communication. When you are trying to find a G-spot, so the communication is very important because this can help you to know about what you feel good to your partner and what is not. So before you start finding the G-spot, you need to inform her, hey baby, today I want to take our sex to the next level. So that is why I want to find out your G-spot so that you can feel an extreme pleasure that you never felt before. So that is why communication is very important. Don't forget that finding the G-spot is very stressful and challenging more than your expectation. So that is why we need to get in the mood. Also, we need to do some experiment. Also, we need to do a communication with your partner. So by following these 5 tips that I have shared in this video, so we'll find a G-spot within a short period of time. So here we have come to the end of this video. If you find this video helpful and educative, so kindly I want you to like, comment, and share this video to your family and friends. Then smash the subscribe button for more educative and helpful videos. So I want to check in the comment section of this video. I have put 2 links on my videos where I have talked about myths and facts about clitoris. On second video, I have talked about the difference between clitoris and G-spot. See you in the next video.